I'm Dr. Dan Diamond. I'd like to talk to you today about the workshop that I offer called Disaster-Improv. Interdisciplinary teams thrive when they produce contagious commitment and they have minimal turnover and they can rally together to do great work. But sometimes they lack the ability to problem solve under pressure. With over 30 years of international disaster experience, one thing I do know is how to solve problems under pressure when resources are scarce and the outcomes matter. The objectives of this course include things like learning how to apply the CIA's strategy for problem solving. I talk about divergent, convergent, and emergent thinking and when to use each of those thinking strategies. We talk about System 1 errors and how to become aware of those, and how to use System 2 thinking to come up with deeper, well thought out solutions. We talk about the problems, the vulnerability of doing a gap analysis, and the sometimes waste of time of doing a SWOT analysis. And I introduce a new concept called a GASP analysis, where we look at the impact on our sphere of influence and how we can make a difference and strengthen the junctions between different teams. So I'm Dr. Dan Diamond, and I look forward to talking with you more about Disaster Improv.